Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a look using my Anastasia Prism palette. I'm so excited because this is the first look I've done with it. I haven't used it at all, and it's new and it's different. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I just created this mauve smoky eye today, and I really had no idea what I was gonna do with this palette. For 2 weeks now, I've been thinking about it. And every time I go to do something, I look at it and I'm like, I don't even know. These are totally different colors than I ever use in any of my palettes. And the truth is, I use the same things in different palettes, the same colors and all the time. So this got me out of my comfort zone, and I'm really glad it did because I think it looks good. I've never done a half cut crease with actual concealer cutting it. I've never done an all color matte look, and I think that I really like it a lot. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I've already primed my eyelids with my concealer, and I just set it with my number 7 translucent powder. For my crease shade and my transition area, I'm gonna start off with Unity, and that's on my Morphe M513 brush. Next, I'm taking the Eden, and I'm putting that in the same exact spot. On my MAC 239 brush, I'm going to take this color Saturn. I'm going to go back in with that transition shade brush and just blend everything together. On my Morphe M433 brush, I'm going in with the shade Parallel, this darker brown shade. I'm just putting that on my outer corner. I'm going to go back in with the transition shade brush and take a little bit more of Eden and just blend that out. Crying out for attention, and memories fade like looking through a fog. On my Mikasa E310 brush, I'm just going to take this black color Obsidian, and I'm going to put that in my very outer corner just a little bit, just to deepen it up really good, and then I'm going to blend it out again with the brown. Whenever I'm doing this, I'm just kind of placing the pigment where I want, and then I kind of drag it over wherever I want it to extend, but not be so harsh, you know? And then you just blend, blend, blend. And then you just keep going back and forth like that until you have the pigmentation that you want. Now I'm going to do a cut crease, and I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to take the shade Lure. It's like this pinky mauve color. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. Now that I have my lid shade on, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go back in with that brown to deepen the outer corner up a little bit more and blend the lid shade in with it. And I'm also going to go back in with that black shade again, just to deepen it up again. So to prime my face, I'm gonna go in with my number 7 Skin Illuminator in the shade Nude. And for foundation today, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm gonna be blending that in with my Real Technique sponge. Pair the Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild also with this foundation. And I'm just gonna put that on my T-zone. And that's actually a little bit too dark for me, so I'm gonna go in with my NYX HD concealer on top of that. And memories fade like looking through a fogged mirror. Decisions are made and not but I thought this wouldn't hurt a lot. I guess not. Control yourself, take only what you need from me. Family or trees wanted. To set that, I'm going to go in with my number 7 translucent powder, and I'm going to take that on my big fluffy Real Techniques brush and set my forehead before that settles into my lines up there. On the smaller areas, I'm going to go in with my Mikasa F120 brush. This is my favorite like under eye setting brush, my nose, my whole T-zone. I always set everything with this. And it's actually by Mikasa, and I have a discount code with them if you want to save yourself some dollar bills. For bronzer, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. To chisel out my cheeks a little bit more, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And I'm just going to take my Sephora number 74 brush and just carve out my cheekbones a little bit more. For blush, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon Pearlescent Pink blush. So now that I have the rest of my face on, I'm going to jump back into my eyes. I'm going to just take that MAC 239 brush and I'm just going to grab a little bit of the Lure color, the mauve pink, and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash with that. And I'm also going to go back in with my transition shade brush and I'm going to pick up a little bit of this color Eden just to warm up the outside of that. Control yourself. Take only what you need from. On a little tiny Sonia Kashuk number 31 pencil brush. Just looks like that. I'm gonna take a little bit of the black color, just a tiny bit, and just put it on the very outside of my bottom lash. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna take this color Lucid For mascara, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And then on the bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Length. Water is warm, but it's sending me shivers. For lips, I just went in with my Tarte lip paint in the shade Festival, and this is how the look turned out. I really enjoyed this look a lot. I don't do all matte all over often, but I think it turned out great. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next video.